Here's how to make your text look cool on WhatsApp. So first, you need to go ahead and open your Google Chrome application on your mobile device. Search for font generator, or you can also go to the website like Lingozan. Go ahead and enter the text that you want to send to your friend. Enter your message in the top. You'll get your text in different fonts. You can go ahead and select any font that you prefer. So I'm going to go ahead and select all of it and tap on copy. Open the conversation or the chat of the person where you want to send the message. Now paste the message that you just copied and send it. The stylish text has now been sent as a message. The person will be able to see this cool font and they'll be able to reply to it. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.